The Delta variant is spreading quickly, and many students are returning to the classroom this week.
And WMBD's Demetrius Sanders shows us how Governor J.B. Pritzker says the state plans to respond to the coronavirus and how local officials are reacting to the latest surge. Demetrius?
Well, Shelby, Mark, with COVID-19 surging once again, officials say mitigations like mandating masks in schools is needed, but they hope with vaccines and people taking steps to keep themselves safe, that larger measures aren't necessary.
Peoria County has joined all but 4 in Illinois considered to have high community transmission of COVID-19 by the CDC.
Things are not good right now in Peoria. We need to get more people vaccinated.
Mayor Ali calling on Peorians to follow CDC guidance and mask up when indoors. She says the city also considering additional steps to help curb the virus.
We're looking at possibly even opening up the Civic Center's parking lot again for possibly next week for testing.
As many head back to school this week, masks will be required following a statewide mandate from Governor J.B. Pritzker.
Children under 12 don't have vaccines available to them, and the Delta variant, I think we all have seen now, is affecting children to a much greater degree than the original Alpha variant.
The governor says he anticipates masking will be necessary when the virus is spiking.
Until we get everybody vaccinated, frankly, we're going to be going through these cycles unless this pandemic ends on its own.
But as for statewide economic shutdowns,
I hope not. That's not something I have in mind, and I've been very careful.
And Pritzker says the state has done well with vaccinations, and that will continue to be the focus moving forward.
We have actually a pretty good vaccination rate overall compared to most other states, and the best in the Midwest. So again, we want to continue to move in that direction.
Now, while speaking on schools who defy the state's mask mandate, Pritzker says those districts know the consequences, and he says some have already faced repercussions. Shelby?